Hello students, hi. So in this video I am going to explain journal entries. So each and every journal entry I will explain, and how to journalize the transaction, everything I will show you. So please watch the video very carefully and note the all important points and see the video up to the end. So let us start journal entries. Okay, here on the screen I am going to give one question. So first I will read the question. Prepare journal entries from the following transactions 2020. March 1st, Mahesh commenced business with cash 50,000. March 4th, purchased goods from Jagdish 2,000. March 6th, sold goods for cash to Rahim 4,000. March 8th, cash deposited in the bank 1,000. March 10th, commission received on sales 2,500. March 12th, paid cash to Srinath 4,500. March 15th, bought machinery 2,200. March 16th, furniture repairs 500. March 18th, cash issued from Jagdish 7,000. March 20th, discount received 4,000. March 22nd, sold old newspaper 600. March 25th, cash withdrawn from bank 8,000. March 27th, received interest on fixed deposits 1,500. March 28th, rent paid 3,000. March 30, purchased stationery 1,500. March 31st, drawings 2,000. So this is the question. Okay students, first we have to draw the format. You can see the format on the screen. So heading is journal entries. There are 5 columns. The first column is date, second column is particulars, and third column is LF, ledger folio number, and third one is debit within brackets rupees and credit rupees. Okay, so this is the format of the journal. So now I am going to explain one by one each and every transaction we are going to journalize. So first I will show the first transaction here. You can see on the screen. So 2020 March 1st means first we should write the date here. In the date column we can write 2020. Okay, next date we should write March 1st. Here the transaction is Mahesh commenced business with cash or Mahesh started business with cash. Both are same. So here when cash is coming, so cash account is debit. So here the capital account will be credited. Okay. So first we should write here cash account. Cash account. Then here we should write compulsory DR, debit. Then LF column we need not write anything. Then the debit we should write the amount 50,000. So cash account is debit. Then here the second entry, compulsory you should leave some space. After space you can write here to capital account. Now immediately we should write here the narration. Narration means explanation of the transaction. So we should start with the bracket, and here you can start being, okay, Mahesh started, commenced business cash, bracket close. So each and every transaction, okay, after writing the journal entry we should write the narration also. Narration means explanation. After finishing the narration we should underline, we should draw one line in the particular column. So this is one journal entry. So how we are going to read? Cash account data to capital account, being Mahesh commenced business with cash. This is known as journal entry. Okay, the way of writing the transaction in the journal is known as journalizing. Okay, these things I explained in the previous videos. Okay, so I am going to explain the second transaction. March 4th, purchase goods from Jagdish. We are purchasing goods are coming, so according to the real account goods are debit. So when we are purchasing goods, directly we can write purchase account is debit. Who is giving here? Jagdish is giving. So Jagdish is the giver according to the personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. Jagdish is giving, so that Jagdish account is credit. So entry is purchase account it are to Jagdish 2000. Okay, now I am going to journalize this one. Here we should write March 2nd. Okay, March 2nd. Purchase goods from Jagdish means first what we should write? Purchase account. Purchase account. Here we should write debtor. The amount column, amount we should write 2000. Okay, then here we should write, leave the space compulsory, to Jagdish account. Jagdish account straightly in the credit column we should show 2000. Then immediately we should write the narration here. Here the narration means what we have to write, being purchase goods from Jagdish, bracket close. Again we should write one underline here. Okay, so this is the second journal entry. Then third journal entry, March 6th, sold goods for cash to Rahim 4000. So when we are selling goods, goods are going, it is credit. Who is receiving here? What is? Cash is coming. Here cash is coming, so cash account is debit. So goods are going credit. So cash account it are to sales. This is on March 6th. Cash account. Here we should write debit. Amount is here 4000. Here we should write to sales account. Directly in the credit column we should write 4000. Sorry, I have written here okay, narration, being sold goods for cash to Rahim. Everything we have to write here. Then March 8th, cash deposited in the bank. When we are depositing cash means cash is going credit, bank is receiving, so bank account is debit. So here we should write March, date is 8th, then we should write here bank account debtor, amount is 1000, and here we should write to cash account. Directly here 1000, sorry, here we should write 1000, not in LF column, right? Okay, right. Then narration, being cash deposited in the bank. Bracket close. Again we should write one line here. Finish. Then March 10th, commission received on sales 2500. March 10th. So date is March 10th. March 10th, the commission received. When we are receiving commission, it is an income, so it should be credited. So we are receiving commission in the form of cash. Cash is coming debit. So cash account it are to commission account. Cash account debit 2500. 2500 here to commission account. Directly in the credit column 2500. Narration, being commission received on sales, bracket close and underline. Then March 12th, paid cash to Srinath 4,500. When we are paying cash, cash is going credit, Srinath is receiving debit. So Srinath account it are to cash, March 12th. March 12th, Srinath account debit 4,500. Here to cash. Cash account directly in the credit column 4,500. Then narration being cash paid to Srinath bracket close and one more line here, right? So after that, March 15th, bought machinery. Bought machinery means purchasing machinery. When we are purchasing machinery, so machinery is coming debit, cash is going credit. So March 15th, here we should write March 15th, machinery account. Machinery account is debit. The amount is here 2,200. Machinery account data to cash. Cash is going. Directly in the credit column, narration being bought machinery, bracket close and one more underline we have to draw here. Then March 15th finish. Then March 16th, furniture repairs 500. March 16th, so we should write here March 16th, furniture repairs. So furniture repairs means it is an expenditure, it is debit. When we do repairs, so cash will go outside, cash account is credit. So finally journal entry is furniture repairs account it are to cash. Furniture repairs account data amount is 500 in the debit column. Here to cash account. Cash account in the stately in the credit column 500. Narration being furniture repairs close. The next transaction here, what is that? Cash issued from Jagadish 7,000, that is March 18th. So March 18th, cash issued from Jagadish. That means cash is coming debit, Jagadish is giving credit. So cash account it are to Jagadish. Cash account here debit 7,000. Sorry, in the debit column we should write 7,000. Okay. Jagadish is giver, so that Jagadish account is credit to Jagadish. Amount is 7,000. Narration being cash issued from Jagadish. Bracket close and one underline, finish. Then after March 20 discount received. When we are receiving discount, it is a profit, so it is credit. We are receiving discount in the form of cash. Cash is coming debit. So finally journal entry is cash account at R2 discount. That is on March 20. So write March 20 here. March 20. First what we should write? Cash account debit. Cash account is 4,000. To discount account. Discount account directly in the credit column 4,000. Then narration here being discount received. Finish. Then March 22nd sold old newspaper 600. So when we are selling old newspaper, newspapers are going credit. Cash
account is debit. Now date is March 22nd. Cash account debtor. Amount is 600. Credit to old newspapers. Old newspapers. In the credit column, amount 600. 600. Next, narration within brackets being sold old newspapers. Being sold old newspapers, bracket close. Then underline. Next transaction, March 25th, cash withdraw from bank rupees 8,000. That means cash is coming debit when bank is giving credit. So entry is cash account debtor 8,000 in the debit column. Bank is giving credit to bank directly in the credit column 8,000. Then narration within brackets being cash withdrawn from the bank. Being cash withdrawn from the bank. Bracket close, underline. Next transaction, March 27, received interest on fixed deposits. So interest is coming, it is income credit. So interest is coming in the form of cash. Cash account is debit. So journal entry is cash account debtor to interest account. So date is March 27th. Cash account debit. Amount is in the debit column. $1,500 to interest account directly in the credit column 1,500, 1,500. The narration being interest received on fixed deposits. Received on fixed deposits. Bracket close. Then again underline. Next, March 28th, rent paid 3000. When we are paying rent, it is an expenditure debit. So rent we are paying in the form of cash. Cash account is credit. So rent account debit to cash account. To cash account directly in the credit column 3000. 3000. Narration being rent paid. Bracket close. Underline. Okay, next transaction. March 30, purchase stationery 1500. So here stationery account is debit, then cash is going credit. So journal entry is stationery account it are to cash. Stationery account debit, amount is 1500 to cash directly in the credit column 1500. Narration being purchased stationery. Purchased stationery, bracket close, then underline. Okay, the next transaction. March 31st, drawings 2000. Drawings means expenditure debit, then cash is going credit. So drawings account is debit with amount 2000 to cash account directly in the cash column 2000. Narration is being drawings, bracket close and underline. Now all transactions are finished. Finally we have to total debit column and credit column. The both columns should be equal. Now I am going to total debit and credit columns. I will show the answer.
Thank you.